अजीत मोहन जी मेडिकल एस्ट्रोलॉजी पर अपनी बात कहेंगे। आप हमारे बीच चेन्नई से पधारे हैं। आइए आदरणीय।
मैंने बोला कि ना
अभी अपन क्या भोजन की छुट्टी करेंगे। अभी अपन भोजन की छुट्टी करेंगे, फिर नंबर लगाएंगे, है ना।
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
रूमा।
मैं डॉक्टर अजीत मोहन यहाँ पे बैठे हुए सभी गुरुजनों को प्रणाम करता हूँ। और मैं चेन्नई में रहता था, अभी उड़ीसा में रहता हूँ। मेरा घर उड़ीसा भी है और मेरा एक फील्ड डिफरेंट है। जस्ट आई विल टेक 1 मिनट। एक्चुअली आई वाज वर्किंग इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी। I was here in Chembur also, Anushakti Nagar,
आपका पंजीयन तो हुआ है
in 2008.
सब मेरा ये करवा दिया है।
And after that, I have been transferred to Chennai, Kalpakam, one place is
अभी
there,
फोन करके नहीं
but their nuclear research is going on.
नाम बोलो।
Okay. And since beginning, means after my matriculation 96 and 97, I have started learning astrology.
भावेश को घर पे रख।
Since that period, I was doing research on medical astrology. And in that medical astrology, I have correlated with the atomic structure. Because what is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of the matter. Smallest to smallest. Molecule, atom or those things. Okay. And it consists of neutron, proton and electron. And in that, our body structure also made up of similar structures, small atoms only. In that we can correlate all those things with our solar system, all the planetary positions and all since birth, what it is giving, what our during birth, what is our position of all the planetary positions. And we can find there, and many research is there with that, and I have done all those things, and only I will not take much time now. I will give 1 or 2 formula regarding. Nowadays we are facing the problems in the busy of our life schedules. We are facing one small problem. I can say it's small. We can eliminate it through our effort and awareness. Okay. See, now in Mumbai today, yesterday night I came. Mumbai is very horrible, very busy life. Very busy life. No one can tolerate and keep patience for 1 minute also. They will move fast. Okay. In that case, what is happening now? All field, in all field, we are getting anxiety, stress, tension, sometimes depressions. If we are not getting some achievement, then we are coming to depressions, and we are keeping us in our dark mood ourselves. Okay. And in this field, you can check the horoscope of that person. If somebody is coming, you can see their moon position, Mercury position, Jupiter position, HRS Lagna and 5th house lord. Okay. In that case, if anyone is afflicted, then they might face these problems. If some small example I give, last July I have gone to Dublin, Ireland. One of my clients is there. I have been traveling throughout the world, okay, for this astrology, medical astrology and all that Vastu also. They have a kid of 17-year-old, and he was always choosing black dark rooms. Since he is a medical aspirant, even though he is always choosing the black rooms, dark rooms, and he is keeping his lights off and all, and staying out, not going outside and all, not playing, only study with the dark rooms. One time it came, he was very in depression, he could not do anything. Then their parents invited me, and I have gone there in Dublin. First of things, I have took him out for 15 minutes to the sunlight. I closed everything, door closed, everyone. I asked them, the whole family has to come out to the sunlight for 15 minutes. They stayed. and few therapy I have done. After that, he is now very, very fine. Just only naturopathy, through naturopathy and normal therapy. He is better. I saw there is his position, moon position and our Mercury position very weak, and it has both are afflicted. So my only one thing will be there. Then we can tell our clients that they should take the advantage of our environment. Nature has given everything to us. We can go for naturopathy. We can play. We can make ourselves happy, keeping positive mindsets always, not to get worried in any mode, so that we can get a better world and better human society.
बस नंबर है
This much I can tell because time scarcity is there.
सेमिनार कर
Okay, many research are there, many points are there. We can go with many things will be there. We can deliver more
सेमिनार की
things.
सूचना देना है
But now
वो तो दिल्ली में
हो गया उसका क्या
in Bollywood or Hollywood field also, many persons are there. They used to come. There also, they may, after 1-2 film flop or something happens, they used to get problems because of these things only. We have to analyze them properly. The chart, 5th house, Lagna, Mercury, and Moon, as well as Jupiter too. If we will do proper analysis and we can go for remedies, then we can get better result. And we have to utilize our nature. Nature has given us everything. Okay, then I'll finish my talk here. Thank you for listening. नमस्कार.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने अपनी बात बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से की। मुझे तो आपका धन्यवाद। आप हमारे बीच बहुत दूर से चेन्नई से पधारे हैं। इसी क्रम में मैं रोमा सिंह जी को आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
सीना
हाँ, रोमा सिन्हा जी।